OpenAI has just dropped issue GPT-4.5 ROM, and it's their most advanced AI model yet. With groundbreaking improvements in accuracy and intelligence, it's changing how we interact with artificial intelligence. So, what makes GPT 4.5 so special? And how is it better than its predecessor? Stick around, we're breaking it all down for you. Let's dive right into the biggest upgrade: accuracy. One of the major issues with AI models has always been hallucination, where the AI confidently provides false or misleading information. But OpenAI claims that GPT 4.5 reduces hallucinations to just the 37%, a massive improvement over GPT-4's nearly 60% rate. This means you get more reliable, fact-based answers, whether you're researching complex topics, generating content, or even debugging code. So how did OpenAI make this possible? They've refined their model using advanced training techniques and increased the dataset size, allowing GPT 4.5 to process information with greater depth and nuance. This makes the AI better at handling complex reasoning, understanding longer contexts, and delivering more accurate outputs across a wider range of industries. But that's not all. GPT 4.5 isn't just smarter, it's also more efficient. OpenAI has optimized the model to deliver faster responses without compromising accuracy. This means whether you're a developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI, you get quicker and more reliable results. This release also enhances multimodal capabilities, allowing GPT 4.5 to interpret text, images, and data more effectively. Imagine an AI that not only answers questions, but also analyzes visual data and provides deeper insights in real time. So why does this matter for you? With GPT 4.5, tasks like writing reports, generating ideas, and solving technical problems become faster and easier. It also opens new doors for industries like our healthcare, our finance, and our education, where accurate AI interpretation is critical. As AI continues to evolve, the release of GPT 4.5 represents a major step forward toward more trustworthy and intelligent systems. It's not just about smarter AI, it's about AI you can trust to assist with important decisions. And this is just the beginning. OpenAI's GPT 4.5 release shows us how quickly AI is advancing, and we're only scratching the surface. What do you think about this new AI breakthrough? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this update insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily tech news and in-depth reviews. We've got more exciting tech updates coming your way. Stay tuned.